Hello, so welcome to this little demonstration video for the final week of this project. Um, so I'll start off showing the project I have. So here's like the context page. So it's pulling from MongoDB and stuff. And just to show you that it is, I'll open the network tab here. So like if I were to make like a new contact and like just throw in just some dummy data, whatever. Well, let me do that, it's fine. So here you get a status, that was okay, and then it added it to the database. So it sent all that through, which is really good. And then you can see down there. And then if I wanted to, I can edit this. I'll just add a few S's. So it updated it, so you can see it went there, and then you can see the code that went through. And then I can delete it here, and then I get the success code as well. The delete and then the URL request. So that's for the contacts one. So I'm going to head over here to the documents now, and I'm just going to quickly demonstrate the same thing that's happening here. So I can like add a new document. I'll just do bread. I'll just do some description. So as you can see, it added it there. You can see it went through. You can see it pulled it from the documents with the post. I can edit here with the put breads. And then you can see it updated with the put, and then still pull from the URL, and then I can delete it. And you can see the delete here. The last one I will show is messages. So this one, it does have some bugs and stuff. Not all of it's coming in. I'm having trouble with the object ID. I unfortunately cannot get it to work. It won't exactly I guess like do it very well. It's kind of buggy. I couldn't figure it out. It'll still like try and do the call and stuff, and like it sends the requests and things, but it just doesn't really show them. And just to show that it is pulling from the database correctly. Oh, sorry, that's the documents. So you can see here, so it's like that is the one I just like sent. So it's adding it to the database, it's posting and everything, and getting it. But for some reason with object ID, when I try and display it on the Angular end, it's not quite working. But overall though, that is my project, and I got everything hooked up. It's just a little bug with the messages that isn't quite working out well. But I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and